exposing the secret to stunning curb appeal. Say hello to all Hurricane Garage Doors, your home's new best friend. Whether you're looking to replace an old garage door or install a brand new one, we've got you covered. All Hurricane Garage Doors is the premier choice in Broward and Miami-Dade counties. We specialize in installations, repairs, and maintenance to keep your garage door in top shape. Partnering with Clopay, America's favorite garage door brand, we ensure your home's security and style go hand in hand. Our extensive line of garage doors fits any home style, transforming your property's look instantly. Imagine pulling into your driveway and being greeted by a sleek, stylish garage door that boosts your home's value and charm. Our expert team is here to provide top-notch service and answer all your questions. So why wait? Upgrade your garage with Clopay's Best and experience the all-hurricane difference today. Call now and let's make your home the envy of the neighborhood.